Hello everyone, welcome to Odoo Amazon Connector video guide powered by Pro. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to export product stock from Odoo to Amazon. So let us begin. To start with, we go to Amazon. First we try to see some configuration. So I go to configuration and Amazon settings. So it brings up the settings screen. First we go to Amazon Seller. In our demonstration, that is Amazon Demo, we scroll down and we go to Inventory section. There you will find an option that says Stock Auto Export. So in case if you want to automatically export your stock to Amazon at specific time interval, you can just enable this option and configure the details. Next, we go to the marketplace settings. So we need to keep in mind that whatever product export operations are taking place, that takes place for a specific marketplace as the products are associated with a marketplace. So let's look at some of the configurations here. Under the inventory section, there is an option that says stock field. Now this field decides that which field's value will be exported to Amazon. So in this case we have configured as forecast value and we recommend this value, forecast quantity. So this field's value will be exported to Amazon. We scroll down. Under the order fulfillment section, FBM warehouse. So this field decides that from which warehouse the stock will be exported to Amazon. Now we move back and go to product, go to all variants. So those were the configurations at seller and marketplace level. Now we go to product and do some configurations at product level. We edit this record. You can see there's a field that says fixed stock type. We can see two options available under it. There's the fix and percentage. If we select the option as fix, that means a fixed value, say for example 5, so this much stock will be exported to Amazon for this product. Similarly, if I select the percentage, that means this much percentage, so let's say for example 10% of stock of this product will be exported to Amazon. So these were the certain configurations that we can do for exporting the stock to Amazon. Now there are two possible ways by which we can export the stock to Amazon. The first one is the selective way, that is, we select the individual products. Over here we go to Amazon and update stock in Amazon. As soon as we click on this, that means the products that we have selected, the stock for these products will be exported to Amazon. So this was the first way. The second way is the bulk export. For that we go to Amazon Odoo menu, Amazon operation. This is the bulk export of the data. So here you can specify the marketplaces. So all the products which comes under these marketplaces will be exported. That means the data, in our case, export inventory. So all the product stock for all those products which comes under these marketplaces will be exported to Amazon. So finally when we click on this one, all the stock will be exported to Amazon. So we saw two possible ways. One is the selected way and the other one is the bulk way. Also we saw some of the configuration at seller level and marketplace level for exporting the stock to Amazon.
Thank you very much for watching the video. We hope the video was useful. Pro specializes in customization, consultancy and support for any Odoo services. Feel free to contact us on www.meprotechnologies.com.